Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to make your cleaning routine a breeze. We found this impressive cordless vacuum cleaner online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what makes this vacuum cleaner stand out. The cordless vacuum cleaner is a versatile 10-in-1 device that combines powerful suction with a lightweight design, making it perfect for any home. With its upgraded brushless motor, it boasts a robust 400 W power output, delivering an incredible 33 kilopascals of strong suction on the maximum setting. Whether you're dealing with dust on hardwood floors or pet hair embedded in carpets, this vacuum has the power to tackle it all. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its large battery capacity. Equipped with a 6-cell, 2,200 mAh rechargeable battery, you can enjoy an impressive runtime of up to 45 minutes on eco mode. If you need that extra oomph, you can switch to max mode, which lasts for about 20 minutes. This means you can clean your entire home without worrying about running out of battery midway through your cleaning session. Another great feature is the flexible LED motorized floor brush head. The integrated LED headlights illuminate dust, debris, and hair in those hard-to-reach dark corners, helping you track down every last bit of dirt. The brush head also offers a flexible design, allowing for 150 degrees sideways rotation and 90 degrees up and down movement. This flexibility makes it easy to clean under furniture and beds, ensuring that no area is left untouched. What really sets this vacuum apart is its versatility. It comes with a range of convenient accessory attachments, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience. You can combine these attachments into 6 different configurations, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets, and even for cleaning up after your pets. This makes it an excellent choice for families or pet owners who need a reliable vacuum that can adapt to different cleaning tasks. The touchscreen and LED display also enhance your cleaning experience. With a large control panel, you can easily adjust the vacuum power and monitor the status of your cleaning sessions. This design is user-friendly and eliminates the hassle of traditional button operations, allowing you to focus more on cleaning and less on fiddling with controls. In terms of filtration, this cordless stick vacuum features a 5-stage high-efficiency filtration system. With washable HEPA filters, it captures up to 99.99% of microscopic particles as small as 0.1 microns. This is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers or anyone concerned about indoor air quality, as it helps ensure that the air in your home remains clean and fresh. Finally, it's worth noting that the brand behind this vacuum, Nyoga, has a dedicated after-sales service team. If you have any questions or run into any issues, you can reach out for support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, the cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly option for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Its robust suction power, extended battery life, and customizable attachments make it suitable for a range of cleaning tasks, whether you live in a small apartment or a larger home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.